Hello guys, very quickly let's answer this question. So the question says, which of the following gases is denser than air? Now we can still simplify the question. We can make it, which of the following gases is lighter than air? Okay, so it still means the same thing. Now, a student of mine, a student I take chemistry online, actually brought this question on the 15th of April 2026. She actually brought it in preparation for her jam. So she was actually trying to answer the question, and that her answer is NH3, which is ammonia. So of course, and that answer is very correct. Now, how did she arrive at this ammonia is what I want to show us now. Okay, so this is it. The molar mass of air is around what? Is around 28.97 gram per mole. Are you with me? And then, for us to know the answer here, we need to calculate the molar mass of each of those very compounds. Are you following? Now, the compound that has its molar mass lower than that of this air, that is, the molar mass of the correct answer here must have a molar mass below 28.97 gram per mole. Do you understand? So now let's check it. So CO2, let's check the molar mass of CO2. Of course, we've recorded videos on molar mass, but then for those who have not seen these very videos, follow, you will learn, okay? So CO2, carbon is 12, 12 plus oxygen is 16. We have two atoms of oxygen, so we multiply 16 by 2. So this is 12 plus 16 times 2 is 32, and of course 12 plus 32 is 44 gram per mole. So of course this is not the answer. Are you following? This 44 is bigger than 28.97. Do you understand? Now let's go to the next. The next is HCl. HCl is hydrogen is 1, and of course 1 plus chlorine is 35.5. All this will give us 36.5 gram per mole. Okay? And of course, this is not the answer because this is bigger than 28.97. So this is not. Now, oxygen gas. Oxygen is 16, but we have two atoms of oxygen, so we multiply 16 by 2, and that gives us 32 gram per mole. All right, 32 gram per mole is still bigger than 28.97. So oxygen gas is not the answer. Now let's check ammonia. So ammonia is nitrogen is 14 plus hydrogen, which is 1, but we have 3 atoms, so 1 times 3. This is equal to 14 plus 1 times 3 is 3, and of course 14 plus 3 is what? 17 gram per mole. Okay, and of course 17 gram per mole is lighter and below 28.97. So our answer becomes ammonia NH3. Now many students actually get tempted. They feel they want to use the percentage composition, and that is actually very wrong. Okay, so to remind you, I take chemistry classes online, I take biology classes online, and I take elementary mathematics online as well. So feel free to reach out. Okay, all right, thank you, bye.